Yeah.
If you had an equation that had two different variables, would the other variable that's not like of your function, does that just stay as it is?
Very good question. So sometimes it depends. If it says it's a constant, you would treat it as a constant. In Calculus 3, what happens is, here, I'll just show you. So why not? Just a really quick aside. Why not, since you asked? This is a really good question. Just for fun. I can't believe I'm showing you this, but it's okay, right? I mean, there's nothing wrong with learning some extra math. Say you have, So say you have x squared y squared plus x squared plus y squared. We have time. It's good to learn stuff, right? So this is a function of two variables, right? So how do you find the derivatives here? So when you have functions of two variables, you take what's called partial derivatives, right? So instead of dy dx, we do this symbol here like this. Del. Del, like deli. So it's del f, del x. So that's how you read it. It's fun, right? It's del, 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 del. It's just read del. So del f, del x. So how do you do that? You pretend all of the y's are numbers, they're constants. So this is a constant, right? So watch this. So if this is a constant, it hangs out. What's the derivative of x squared? 2x. Oh, what's the derivative of x squared? 2x. What's the derivative of a number, of a constant? Right? So when you do del f, del x, everything else is constant except x. So let's try this one. Del f, del y. So now all the x's are constants. So this is a constant, it hangs out. So this hangs out. So we just get 2x squared y, right? Because the x is a constant, right? Because it's del f, del y. Oh, this is a constant. So what's the derivative? 0. And what's this derivative going to be? Just 2y. That's calculus 3 right there. That's all calc 3, right? So that's what happens in calc 3. There's one in the homework where you have a c, and I think it's in 2.4, but it tells you c is a constant, so the derivative is 0. Yes, Josh?
So this really doesn't matter, but how do you like spell that symbol?
That's a really good question. I'm so glad you asked. I am pretty sure it's just del.
Like the laptop. Oh.
Yeah, like del, without the e. Like, 'cause I'm hungry, but yeah. And I think it's like fatter. When it's typed, it's like really fancy. I think they'll exaggerate, like, del! Yeah, that's calc 3.